How to move a picture freely on Word document. Hello everyone, welcome to the video. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to move a picture anywhere you want on a Word document. But before getting started, I want you to head down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Word document, and then from here you just import a picture. To do that, head over to Insert tab, then click on Pictures, and you can import a picture from the device or you can add stock images from your library. I'm just going to do that right now, and for example I'm just going to add this flower right here and then click on Insert. Now once you do so, if you can notice here, at the very beginning you are not able to move it freely. So if I import any word here, so let me just import some word. If you import a Word document and if there are any text, you will not be able to move it freely around the text. So as you can see here, to be able to do this, what you need to do is head over to the Layout tab, click on Wrap Text, and then make sure that it's selected to Through. And if you have done this, then you are able to freely move it. But if this is set to something else, let's say tight or square, it's usually on the square, and in this case you are not able to freely move this around. So if you set this to if you set the text wrapping to Through, then you are able to move the picture around freely. So if I just adjust its size, it will find its way around the text as well, so like this. And that's how you freely move a picture around on Microsoft Word. I hope this helps, and I'll see you on the next one.